Okay, so what's this again real quick?
This is an East African serval.
Okay. How much, and what's her name?
His name is Cyrus. He's 9 months old.
Hey, Cyrus, and you were telling me they have amazing jumping capabilities, right?
This is true. He can jump 15 to 20 feet straight up, snag a bird right out of the sky.
And they eat birds?
They eat birds and rodents. These ears, they can hear 5 miles with these ears and 3 feet underground.
And they're native from?
East Africa.
East Africa. And where can we see these up close and personal?
At the Wild Animal Safari Park in Pine Mountain.
But they're slightly different in the coloration of their coat, and they don't have the same jumping abilities. Cyrus can jump and run very, very good. I like that one better. Cyrus can jump up to 50 feet from the standstill. And he can hear up to 5 miles away.
He must be really creeped out when he does that, or is that just like a normal, like, hey?
Yeah, well, no, he doesn't. He doesn't. We feed him really well, and so he's not as jumpy as some.
Oh my goodness, see, I wouldn't like that.
But Bo is more of a desert cat, and what they do is they kind of stick low to the sand, and they keep an eye out for it.
This one's like,
This one's just don't kid me.
oh, how old is he?
9 months.
You're a baby.
Well,
We've got new anchors, y'all. I love this.
He purrs, meows.
I need a new profile pic.
How much
I'm trying to go for a new profile pic.
Dude,
I would just want to take him home and sleep with him.
he's pretty cuddly.
If he purrs and meow, that's like a real cat. I want to take him home. How much it cost?
These
About
cats are
$1,000?
easier to domesticate than those cats.
Yeah, a little more.
I can tell.
About 10 grand?
They'll probably get you.
Yeah. You have to get the license for one, too.
Oh.
I want a new profile pic.
How much the license cost?
Yeah,
Hey, how much would it cost to get a license?
1 or 2.